kulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
It's Manny Pacquiao, it's time to rock.
Over 2 million pesos! Tako yan ang ibabalato ni Ninong ngayong gabi. Hindi lang sa live audience, kundi pati na rin sa mga manonood ngayon sa kanilang mga bahay-bahay.
Tama! 2 million pesos ang jackpot natin ngayon. Sa mga nasabay, ito ang pwede nyong mapanalunan. Siguradong merong dalawang mananalo ng 10,000 pesos galing sa Uno Corporation.
At meron ding bonggang-bonggang kalahating milyong pisong balato sinininong para sa inyo.
Wow! Grabe! Kaya tutok na at mag-text. Type MMP space, pack9/name and address and send to 367 or 2344.
At pati ang mga paborito ninyong artista na pasugod na rin dito sa San Juan Sports Arena dahil kasali rin sila sa babalatuhan ni Ninong.
Okay, at dahil excited na ang lahat, simulan na natin ang walang patid na sorpresa at pamimigay ng pera kasama ang mga Men in Black, ang G-Men at Down to Mars, pati na rin si Paolo Contis, Onyo Velasco, at syempre kasama rin, sino mga kasama?
Sina Rachel Ann Go, Julian Frono, at teka lang, si Yasi Tresman.
Christopher Martin, Caleb Santos, at Mark Bautista.
At makikisaya rin ang walang katulad na si Alan Kay dito lang sa Money Nanny Prizes!
take it higher until it reaches a point no return. Yeah, there's just no turning back when your heart's under attack. Gonna give everything I have, it's my destiny. I will never say never. I will fight you forever. Whenever you knock me down, I will not stay on the ground. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, 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 up. Never say never. Never say never. Never say never. Never say never. Never say never.
And this song's a little bit longer with me, but it ain't on a JV song with me. I've been trying to chill, baby, trying to sour the grill. No pun intended was raised by the power of will. Like look with the force, push girls to show. Like copy it, 4 times, wanna be. Yo, it's gotta be the best thing, just with a fly. The David and Goliath, the cockpit is giant. So now I got my world in my hand. I was born 2 stars in the moon world and I'm gone.
I will never say never. I will fight you forever.
Make it right
Whenever you knock me down, I will not stay on the ground. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, 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 up. Never say never.
Yeah!
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. I sing her in the smoky room, the smell of the sweet perfume. I was smiling in the evening night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down a boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Street light, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Street light, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Street light, people. Don't stop.
Buong bansa naghihintay kung sino-sino ang mga masuswerteng maghahati-hati sa 2 milyong balato ni Nino.
Wow!
Wow!
Huwag na nating patagalin pa! Eto na ang pinakahihintay ng lahat, ang pabansang ninong ng Pilipinas, Manny Pacman Pacquiao!
Hello! Magandang gabi, Pilipinas! Mga kapuso, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao! Ngayong gabi, may maswerteng makatikim ng balato ko. Pero bago yan, sayaw muna tayo! Okay? Marunong na ako sumayaw. Okay, okay. Nakikita nyo na ba yung mga astig na yan? Yung mga astig na yan. Nasa kamay nila ang 2 milyong piso. Okay, mga pare, isalin nyo na ang perang hawak nyo. Isalin nyo na. Yan ang 2 milyong piso pwedeng mapanalunan ng Easy Money Jackpot player at ng kanyang partner na artista at siyempre, yung home viewers natin! Ang home viewers, pag napanalunan ang jackpot, isang home viewers na mananalo ng 500,000 pesos! Ako mismo, gusto ko nang may pamigay ang jackpot prize natin na ito! Pero, kunting hintay lang, kunting hintay lang. Warm up muna tayo, warm up muna tayo. Siyempre, kasama si Alan K. Ito na ang pinaka-paborito nating libangan ng Pilipinas! Ano pang hinintay nyo? Mag-boxing na tayo!